Hello and welcome to Pray, Plan, and Repeat. I'm Chanel. Thank you so much for coming. And if you are new to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to turn on that bell so you can always get notified every time I have a new video. And let's jump right into the Black Friday haul. Alright, so as you guys can see, I did a little bit of damage. I did some Black Friday shopping at Joann's. And let's just jump right into this video. I won't keep you. And I'm going to show you everything I hauled for Black Friday. Alright, so I picked up this pretty washi right here from My Big Ideas, or the Happy Planner, or I guess it's not the Happy Planner. But I picked up this pretty washi. It's all black and white, black and silver, black and gold. Throughout, and they're really small. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's 10 rows of washi in here, and you do get a good amount of washi tape in here. And yeah, I picked this up, and this was half off, so I was happy about that. So I was happy that I was able to pick up me some actual Happy Planner, or the Mambi washi tape. So that's what I picked up, and it was, like I said, it was half off. Then I picked up some more washi tape. I picked up this tape here, and this is from the brand Park Lane, and this is their washi tape. It was so pretty. It's like black and gold and the little bows on here, so pretty. So these and the Mambi washi tape are roughly about the same price. Park Lane is like a little cheaper by like a couple cents, but they are both half off. So I like these a lot, so I got these as well. I also went ahead and picked up this washi tape. This is more of a rose gold type of washi tape, and it's very pretty. Like, you got white and squares, you got the hearts and the rose gold, you got the chevron, you got some, I call these candy cane lines, but you got some more different things going on here. It's basically rose gold and white in between, and then this one here is all rose gold. Then I got me another thing of washi tape. So I also picked up from the same brand, Park Lane. And these ones were so cute. This is like so pretty. I don't know, this reminds me of Christmas, even though it's not like really the Christmas colors. But they have foxes on here, and the foxes are just so cute. They're just so pretty. So you got a guy fox with a tie on, and he's blushing. Then you have a girl fox, and she has one of those flower crowns on and some lashes. And in between there's some gold leafing in between right there, and they're just so pretty. So I'm happy to pick those up. Alright, next I went ahead and picked me up some dashboards, and I believe this is from the Happy Planner, or the Super Mom edition, I think this is. So in here you get 3 dividers. You get a little skinny one and 2 large ones. This one says, "You got this, mama." And I don't know if you can see on the back, but on the back of here, sorry about the glare, on the back of here shows you the different dashboards. You got a clear one that has like what I want to call it, those sprinkles on it. Then you have the one that says, "You got this, mama." And then you get another one that's black and white, or black and clear, and it says #MomLife. So I'm really happy I picked up this one. I didn't pick up the Mom Planner because I already have my planners for 2019. So yeah. So this one's not like too exciting, but I got me some note paper. And I got 2 packs of this note paper, and I believe this is from the crafting line, I think, because at the bottom it says "Plan a Happy Life." But yeah, I got 2 of these, and they have 40 sheets in each pack. So I got 2 of those, and yeah, so this is my notebook paper that I'll be using in my planner. And everything I picked up was all half off, so I'm happy about that. The next item that I really wanted was one of these Happy Planner covers for my Happy Planner. And this was half off too as well. And I picked this one because I just loved the color and I didn't want the black one. And yeah, it's just a pretty teal hard cover, and it has like gold dots all over it. So it's like really cute. And that is the back, and on the back of it, I don't know if you can see it, but it says Happy Planner down here. I will be putting my 2019 planner together very soon, so be looking out for that video. And I will be using all this stuff and kind of like freaking planning my planner as well. So that's that. So the next thing I got is this Happy Planner punch. And this is a perfect punching, well, take it back. You can use it to punch like paper or pictures, so it will fit neatly in your planner and be the right size. So I got me a punch because honestly, for one, sometimes I get too lazy and I don't want to use my scrapbook paper and actually cut them into squares. But my next layout that I will be, that you guys will see, I actually did cut out those squares for my planner, so you'll see that video coming out soon. But yeah, so I'm actually happy I got me one of these, and this is for the classic size Happy Planner because I'm going into 2019 with 2 classic size Happy Planners. Next, I just want to go in and show you guys some craft paper I picked up. So this paper was 75% off at Michael's. So I'm showing you this paper, so as I'm showing you the paper and I show you the rest of the stuff, you'll figure out why I chose these sheets of paper. So yeah, this is from the brand American Crafts, the color of memories. So that's what the brand of this paper is. And this one is just black and white, and they're just dog bones on it. They're just super duper cute. So yeah, there's that sheet right there. Then I picked up another one. This one has bows on it. They're just so pretty. There's bows all around here. It's just so gorgeous. So that's the one I picked next. Then this one here, as you can see, it has butterflies. And I love butterflies. I love butterflies so much. So this is just a full sheet of butterflies. And I'm basically going to be punching these and using these in my planner. So this one here is just so gorgeous. Look at this one. This one is so pretty. It says glam and beauty all over it. And if you did not know, I do have a beauty channel here on YouTube, and the link is always in my description box. So yeah, that's this sheet of paper here, which I really think I should have got 2 of these, but you know, I'll just go back and pay full price for another one. It's fine. So this next one here is a globe with flowers in it. It's just so pretty. I just like how it looked. And yeah. Very nice. Very nice. I like this one. This one here, they're cacti or cactus. It's a full sheet of pretty colorful cactuses. There's greens, there's pinks, there's blues. You know, there's your typical colors. I think I said green already. And there's yellow. They're just so pretty, so vibrant. Yeah, so that's the next sheet. Well, that's the last sheet I picked up was this one. So on to my sticker books. So I picked up this sticker book here. This one is by Mambi, of course. And as you can see what it looks like, this one says drinks. So this is just a sticker book full of drink stickers. So there's 347 stickers in here. And they're all drinks, and I will be doing a flip through of this sticker book, so be looking out for that. But yeah, that's it. It's just this. That's one sticker book. very nice. I like everything that's on the cover. Like, it's still sealed. I have not opened it yet. Can't wait to open it and look inside. I picked it up because it was just crescents. They got tea, they got lemon, they got coffee, they got water. It's just, wow, it's just so much stuff going on here. So that's one of my sticker books I picked up. The next sticker book I picked up is this one right here. This is the Super Mom sticker book, and this has 1,657 stickers in here. Yeah, and it's just so gorgeous, so pretty, so pretty. So I will be doing a flip through this book as well. Here is the back of the sticker book. And here's the back of this one too, if I didn't show you. So yeah, ooh, they're nice. All right, getting happy now. All right, let's move it out of the way. So the next sticker book I picked up is the Faith Warrior sticker book. I really wanted this sticker book for the longest time, but I was trying not to spend more money on sticker books and just trying to use what I had. So, but since, you know, it was half off, I went ahead and got it. So this sticker book has 1,010 stickers in here, and it's just so pretty. The cover of this sticker book is so pretty, and I will be doing a flip through of this as well. Super excited about this sticker book. The last and final thing I picked up at Joann's, and what I originally went into the store for, but I got all the other stuff as a bonus as well, is this baby right here. The Happy Planner and Joann. Let me move this out the way. I'm not going to open it. I'm not going to open it yet, but I am going to move this out the way for y'all. So, the Happy Planner and Joann, I guess exclusive sticker book. It's like a really thick book. I mean, this thing is thick, y'all. It's thick. There's a lot going on in here. There is 5,144 pieces in this sticker book. And this sticker book has over 100 sticker sheets in this sticker book. So I'm super excited about this book. I can't wait to do a flip through with you guys. So be looking out for this flip through first, and which I will be doing as soon as I'm done filming this video. But yeah, so that is everything. All right, so this was everything I picked up in my Black Friday haul. Yeah, this is everything. We got some papers here. Got some washi tape. And we got some scrapbooking sheets. So this is everything I hauled in my Joann's Black Friday sale haul type thing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and make sure you're subscribed, and I'll catch you again later. Bye!